I lived for 3 months last year, January to end of March 2007, in a lovely square in the south of Kreuzberg in Berlin called Chamisso-Platz. The birds of Chamisso-Platz. The birds sing at night in Chamisso-Platz. They sing of street battles fought in 1945. They sing of storms that will wreck their nests, that will blow down their trees. They say, listen to the bird on the moon, the big white bird who will fly down here when all is ruined. The houses, the restaurants, the people, when the air is too hot to breathe or fly in, when the bicycles all have been melted, the dog bones fused to the broken streets. The birds sing this at night in Chamisso-Platz. Say, drink water while you still have some. Go for long walks in the bucketing rain. Visit the Antarctic while it's walkable on. Spend time in Holland while it still exists. I hear them from the kitchen, the bathroom. I hear them when I'm back in my bed, and they keep me from falling asleep again. I know they will be quiet in the morning. Only at night can they sing in Chamisso-Platz.